Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and meron tayong mystery package from Realme Philippines. And we don't know what's inside the box, but if you have watched other YouTubers, probably by the time na in-upload ko to, meron na silang mystery unboxing na itong box na to. So, yes, bubuksan natin. So, I have here my cutter. Yan, makalawang-kalawang pa, nakakatetano. So, hiwain na natin and buksan. Okay, so dito pa lang, it says gaming mystery box. Hindi ko nakita yung gaming sa likod. So, gaming mystery box, I have an idea na kung ano ba meron dito. So, first, ayan. So, I have here the jacket of Realme. Okay, ang ganda ng jacket ng Realme. Suotin ko muna. Yan. So, sinuot ko muna yung jacket. May nakasulat pang Realme dito. Ganda ng jacket nila, in fairness. Oh, okay. Nakikita ko na kung ano meron dito sa loob. Pero, dito muna tayo simula. Hi-Chew candy. Hindi ko hindi ko alam kung bakit, mangga. Tingnan ko mangga. We got here the game handle. So, this is used to have a better grip sa smartphone. So, pakita ko sa inyo sa mga walang ganito. Mura lang to actually. But yan, so, sipin nyo dito yung phone nyo sa Realme box na nandito. Nakikita ko na kung ano to. Yan. So, meron tayo na itong neck pillow. So, siguro pag naglalaro kayo sa aeroplano, sa bus, gagamitin sa bus to. You have the neck pillow para comfortable. Oh, may letter pala sila. So, ano sabi sa letter? As we approach, it's launching this May 17. Okay, so this one is the Realme Buds. It's actually really affordable and one of my favorite buds out there because it has a braided cable. It's a really good quality. Isa to sa mga ginagamit ko when I'm outside. So, I have a lot of earphones and headphones, but this is the one that I use for my in-ear buds. And lastly, we got here, tada! It's the 3 Pro. Ano ba tong 3 Pro na to? So, it's actually the Realme 3 Pro. Pagtalok mo naman ako ng manggaw. Isang talo. Dali, isa lang. Okay, so yellow na yellow tayo right now. I have here the Realme 3 Pro, the Hi-Chew Mango Candy, and of course the Realme Buds. This one isn't yellow, but this one is essential for our gaming needs. And of course, well, i-unbox na natin siya. But according to sa paper, we can show the smartphone that in-depth para sa inyo. But I'm gonna unbox this one pa rin para sa inyo guys. So, I'm gonna use my nasirang cutter kanina. Plato. Dali. So, to complete our Realme unboxing, kakain na rin tayo ng mangga. It's yellow. Nasim. Okay, so let's unbox this one. So, yan. So, the Realme 3 Pro. So, hey, welcome to the Realme family. Yan. Welcome to the Realme family, boys. Then, of course, got here the manual, the jelly case. We got here the charger. So, it's a book charger. Interesting. So, it says here, 5 volts, 4 amperes. That's 20 watts na charger. It's a very fast charging charger. Micro USB cable. And of course, we got here the smartphone. Okay, wow. So we've reviewed the Realme C1, the Realme 3 before. The Realme 3 is a big upgrade compared to the Realme C1. And what we have here is the Realme 3 Pro. And what I can say about it is, maganda siya. May siyang pattern sa likod. I like the feel of it. Well, I'm not sure if this is glass-stick, but I think this is a glass-stick. Well, it is glass-stick. But I like the texture, not the texture, but the design. So, parang may wave siya dito. This is really cool. Got a fingerprint over here, the camera over here. And we have here a notch display. So, similar probably sa Realme 3. So yeah, the Realme 3, if you want to know more about it, it was launched before sa India, but dito sa Pilipinas, it is about to be launched in a few weeks and a few days by the time na in-upload ko to. But yeah, this is the Realme 3 Pro. So yes, we will have a follow-up unboxing of this one. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if hindi pa kayo nag-subscribe sa channel ko, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph. Thanks for watching our unboxing of the gaming mystery box from Realme. Wait lang.